got to the grain buggy now. We're running a 12-row head on a 9770 FCS. And this is a 1050 grain cart with a 285 MX. It's a pretty good crop. It's a really nice crop. The combine's full down there. I'm not sure if he's moving. Can you see it? This glare is really, well, not the glare, the sun is just really annoying. It's right in my face. On the camera, it's not as bad, hopefully. So, yeah, I'll see you when we're unloading. Guys, we're unloading now. Oh, I've been spilling.
Still at about 2.7.
Like a mechanic somewhere, and they put a box on it, and it's working really good. And then also that gravity box and gravity wagon, it isn't ours. It is someone else's, and this corn is also not ours. So this is customs that we're doing right now. It was yielding 160 on average. Like up here it yields really good, but down by the lower end over there it's not that good. So on average it's yielding 160. And I think that's pretty good. So yeah, see you after the summer. Just waiting here. While I'm waiting, I'll probably go do a ground check. Right here on a tire track I'll go on. There's a kernel. There's another one. So 1, 2, 3. There's 3 so far. Those are my 3 ones right there. There's a crushed one. Not sure if you can see that. Here's another. Yep, those might be the same thing. Oh, there's one. Yeah, that's pretty good, I guess. That's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and I think those are the same. So cool. Let's do another spot. This side of the yeah, they're really tall stalks. Oh, there's a couple more in here. There's 1, 2. Oh, I think I just. Oh, 3, 4. That's all stuff I already printed. Oh, 5. That's not bad. Look, this is our grain cart setup. 1050 on 285. Okay. I'll see you guys when we're either unloading the combine or I'm unloading the grain cart. Guys, we're unloading. Well, finishing unloading actually. I'm gonna go put this load, well, it's not really a load. The Western Star, it's already half loaded, so this might top it up. Because we have, when I loaded up that gravity wagon, I didn't get this all empty. So then there's probably like a good 200 bushels left. And then he put 2 full combine loads on it. So yeah, this will be a half Western Star. Or when I unloaded the gravity into the gravity wagon, I didn't have 200 bushels left. I probably had like 100 to 150 bushels left. So I'll see you when I'm just about to pull into the Western Star. Yeah, guys, I just started unloading. There we go. I don't know how full this truck is. Well, I know how full it is. I just don't know where he stopped unloading it. Because I wasn't the one that loaded this. Sorry if it's a little shaky. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm back at the field. Combine full. I think we might be able to make it to the end there quickly. This is a wheat field right beside us. Probably a good 4 hours, 3 hours left here to finish up this whole field. So I'm going to load this on, not that big like the truck you see, but there's a small one there, you'll see it. Yep, I'm loading. Look at that.
Okay, look. Can you go put that on Daryl?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go load the truck. See you later. I'll see you when we're basically almost done. Guys, we are on our final little strip here. But that's just for this side of the field. We still have actually a lot more on the other side. So I'll see you when we get over there. We're on our last row, but we still got all that. We're just not, you can see the dust coming off. I'll get a bit closer. The tournament lights will be any better. of the field now. Clouds look so cool over there. Looks insane. We just started up the headlands. In this bus. Okay, we're just about finishing there. And the clouds still look so cool over there. Like, literally, they look insane. Yeah. Green elevator looks really cool too. We're almost finished up the outside round. Okay. I'm gonna check for crossing. Oh, I can already tell there's definitely a lot to learn. You guys, I'm learning. Yeah, like I said before, sorry it's a little bumpy when I'm unloading. It's just because it's like that. Okay, finish up my PTO. Push cookie. Okay. Let's get back to the field. Okay, guys. Look, it's like pitch black almost. This is me with my lights off. This is me with my lights on. Okay, guys, we're just starting a new cut right down there. Okay, guys, this is the last pass. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Christian, I'm just driving the truck back. I'll be with you in a sec.